Hello guys, in this video we're going to be showing how to make a Lego heart for Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be all this color, it doesn't have to be red and white, it could be whatever color you have. So this is what it looks like, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so you're going to need 3 of these. It looks like this. You need 3 of them. And then you're going to need Then you're going to need 4. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to need 2 slants. It's like this. Two of these. Then you're going to need 2 of these. How it looks. And then you're going to need 1 of these. And then you're going to need 1 more of these. And then you're going to need 1 of these. Okay, so the difference between this is this one only has this and this one doesn't. We're going to be using these 2. You can just get another one of these instead of using one of these if you don't have it. But in this video, we're going to be using this one. 1 of these, 1 more of these, and 1 more, and 1 of this. And for this one, you don't have to use this one. You could just use a regular one. But this one, I'll explain to you after we build it. So now you got your parts. Now we're gonna go ahead and build it. So you're gonna need get this one, put it right here, and then get these 2. Now we're gonna get this one and put it right here, and then we're gonna get these 2, and we're gonna put them right here. And then now we're gonna get 2 of these, and we're just gonna put them right here. And then we're gonna get this one, and I'm gonna put it right here. Right here. Anyways, I'll just turn it around. And then we're gonna get this one. But like I said, you could just get another one of these instead of using this one. And then now you're gonna get this one, and you're gonna put it right here. And then this one is gonna go right here. But you don't really need this unless but stay tuned more of the video and I'll explain. And then this one, this little piece right there. And then we're gonna get this one at the bottom. We're gonna put these 2. This is what they look like. And we're gonna put it like this. And we're just gonna put it in the middle. And then now with the only parts you should have left are these 2. And then you just easily put them like this. And there you go, you got the heart. So this little piece right here, it's perfect to put it as a little string through it. So you could have a necklace or a bracelet, but I think it was too big for a bracelet, or a keychain. So hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.